What is the name of a female chicken? Hen. Which of the following animals is known for producing wool? Sheep. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. What is the young offspring of a cow called? Calf. Which of the following animals is known for laying eggs? Chicken. What is the most common color of a cow? Brown. Which animal is considered a symbol of good luck in some cultures? Pig. What do you call a male horse? Stallion. Which of the following animals is known for their bright red comb on top of their head? Rooster. What is the name of a female sheep? Ewe.